Understanding the Mediterranean diet, benefits and basics. What if the secret to a healthier, longer life was as simple as the food on your plate? The Mediterranean diet, often hailed as one of the healthiest eating patterns in the world, is more than just a trend. It's a lifestyle rooted in tradition, flavor, and balance, a culinary pathway to better living. At its core, the Mediterranean diet isn't about restriction, it's about abundance. Picture a plate brimming with colorful vegetables, juicy fruits, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. Add a generous sprinkling of herbs and spices, some nuts and seeds, and a moderate portion of fish or poultry. This is the essence of the Mediterranean diet, a symphony of fresh, wholesome ingredients that fuel the body and delight the senses. But what sets it apart? For starters, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. The Mediterranean diet is inspired by the eating habits of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, like Greece, Italy, and Spain. Each region brings its own spin, yet they all share common principles: real food, minimal processing, and a focus on quality over quantity. The benefits. Where do we begin? Studies have consistently shown that the Mediterranean diet can reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. It's also linked to improved brain health, better weight management, and even longer life expectancy. And let's not forget its role in boosting mood and overall well-being, because food is more than fuel, it's joy, connection, and culture. Now, let's break down the basics. The Mediterranean diet emphasizes plant-based foods, so your plate should always feature a variety of vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Healthy fats, especially extra virgin olive oil, are key players, adding richness and heart protective properties. Proteins come primarily from fish, seafood, and plant sources like beans, with red meat playing a much smaller role. Dairy is consumed in moderation, often in the form of cheese and yogurt, and then there's the lifestyle component. The Mediterranean diet encourages meals to be savored, preferably in the company of loved ones. It's about slowing down, enjoying the moment, and truly tasting the food you eat. So how do you start? Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Swap butter for olive oil. Trade red meat for fish or legumes. And most importantly, make mealtime a celebration, not a chore. Are you ready to embrace the Mediterranean way of eating? Share your thoughts and let's keep the conversation going.